Hi all, happy holidays. This is Andrea from Buttercup Beads. I wanted to because these are hard to photograph, I wanted to give you a quick little video of how pretty these little icicle ornaments are. I'm addicted to them. They're really fun for gifts. I got it down to doing them in about 25 minutes. So it's just a decreasing spiral pattern. You get the kit, the pattern for the decreasing spiral, as well as a bonus for the holidays is the basic spiral weave pattern. But it's better if you see the video so you can see the different color variations. So this one is the Crystal AB. This was the first one I put out, and it's just really pretty. AB, of course, stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's a rainbow type finish that you can see on there. The new ones now are the, this is the Silver Line Crystal. I'm going to put the charm on this. Oh, no, there it is. I did put it on. The Silver Line Crystal on this. They all come with a 2020 charm. I also have 2021 charms listed on the site now, so if you wanted to start these for next year, or just ignore 2020 ever happened because it's been such a terrible year, you can order them and then add that. So this is just a normal silver lined crystal, and that gives you a very, traditional icy look. The next one is silver lined crystal AB. So it has a little bit of an AB finish, but you can tell it's not that much different. I guess it is a little bit whiter. So that's real pretty. This one is the Christmas cheer. I wanted to just play around with what happens if you mix up some colors. And of course, this will all adapt to different size. You could put crystals inside or chains out, make them longer. You could keep going and make a necklace if you wanted to do a whole necklace, of course, in the same color. So love this stitch. So this one is gold, green, red, and Christmas, traditional Christmas colors. Of course, we have to have good old Christmas gold. So that's pretty. And then this one is really pretty. It's kind of frosted. It's the gilt lined opal. So that's the other color option. So get them while you can. I'm having I just relaunched the sale for the season. I'm going to keep it on till Christmas. And if you're trying to get these done, order as quick as you can, because the post office is a little bit slow delivering things. So you want to get these in time for Christmas and get them made. Great little project. Or start for next year, but treat yourself. Everybody's been good. So, all right, enjoy. Check out the website. I got new stuff coming every day. I'm dancing as fast as I can here. I miss everyone. See ya. Happy holidays.